All right, you already know what we got on the menu today. You peeped that title in the thumbnail. I'm gonna show you guys how to make these beef noodles with broccoli. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's quickly go over these ingredients. And remember guys, these ingredients can be found on my website at ijustcookalot.com or allwingseverything.com. Not sure why people always ask me about the ingredients in the recipe. Right there on the screen if you just watched the video. Back here we have our broccoli, ground beef, onions, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, some marine, I hope I said that right, olive oil, chopped garlic, brown sugar, oyster sauce, a red jalapeno pepper here, and we have our noodles right there. So that's all you need. Let's jump into it. So to get started, we're gonna make our stir fry sauce mix. We're gonna add our light soy sauce here, our dark soy sauce, our oyster sauce, our marine, sesame oil, and our brown sugar. And we're gonna get that a good mix until that brown sugar dissolves and everything is combined well. All right, just that simple. Let's continue. So to get started, we're gonna bring some water up to boil. We're gonna blanch our broccoli for 1 to 2 minutes. All right, so let's go ahead and add our broccoli. All right, so after that 1 to 2 minutes, we're just gonna go ahead and remove our broccoli. I'm gonna add it here to a bowl. We're just gonna sit this aside. Now what I'm gonna do, you can do it differently if you like, but I'm going to cook our noodles in this same boiling water. I don't see an issue with it. I'm just gonna add some salt here. The only issue is the color of the water changed, but hey, that doesn't matter, it's still water. And the only thing we did was blanch the broccoli in there. And we're gonna add our spaghetti noodles in here, and we're gonna cook this until it's al dente, about 7 to 10 minutes. And while that cooks, we're gonna prepare our ground beef. So next, we're gonna heat up some olive oil. We're gonna bring that up to temperature. All right, once that pan heats up, we're gonna go in with our ground beef, and we're gonna get this broken up until it's slightly brown. So after we browned our meat, we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of our soy sauce, stir fry mixture rather. We're gonna add it to our ground beef along with our garlic and our onions. We're gonna get this mixed in for a couple of minutes. Next, we're gonna go in with our noodles. We're gonna add our sauce mix and our broccoli. And guys, we're just gonna get this mixed up now. We're gonna let this cook for the next 2 minutes as we continue to mix it. All right, so after that 2 minutes, we're going to add our red jalapeno peppers, or chilies, whatever you wanna call it. And we're gonna get those babies mixed in here as well. All right, guys. All right, so that is it, man. We are good. So the only thing left to do is get this baby plated up, and we're gonna jump into quality control. All right, guys, it's quality control time. Let's bring these groceries to the front of the congregation. Man, look at them groceries. Woo. Hey, man. Oh, man. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. Man, this baby's so broccoli, ground beefy-y. Oh, man. The right amount of seasoning. I didn't add any salt, any pepper. Because it had all that soy sauce, I figured there was enough sodium, and I was correct. So guys, definitely add this one to the end. Y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, but also remember, my new cookbook on pre-order. Link in the video description. Go ahead and pick it up. I'm just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.